Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to hide personal information from Instagram account on PC or laptop. If you're using any PC or any laptop and you want to hide your personal information from your Instagram account, so let's see how we can do that. You just have to simply open your browser and just go to your Instagram page or your Instagram account. So if you want to hide your personal information including your following follower list, your date of birth, and anything you want to hide. So there's a single way. You just have to make your account private. Now to do this, just click on this more option under your profile at the left side, and then click on settings. And now in settings, you'll see the option of account privacy. Click on this and just enable this toggle to make your account private. You can see I've already enabled this toggle. My account is still private. So once I've enabled this toggle, your account will be private, so no one can see your personal information until you allow them to follow you or until you may be friends on Instagram. So the person will be unable to see your personal information. So in this way, you can easily hide your personal info from your Instagram account on your PC or laptop. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.